We're here with our Wacom 114, which is a 14-inch display drawing tablet that you can just use one cable, one USB-C to C cable to hook up to your laptop, your PC, your Mac, and you can just start drawing right away. It comes with a pen, and the pen has 4,000 pen pressure level. It is our most intro-friendly hobbyist, people who are looking for a budget tablet. You can just start drawing, and look, it has really great pressure sensitivity. Right? You can go really thin, and then you can go really thick. And so for people who are really into digital art or doing 3D, as long as you have the software loaded on your computer, you just hook it up and then use this as a way to enhance your creativity. This is our very first Android tablet. Basically, it is a real contender to an iPad because what we're doing is to create a really good drawing experience, bring the drawing experience of Wacom products onto a digital tablet. And so basically, you can take these to go with you, right? And it is an Android platform based, so everything you can access it is the Android store. So you can access anything that is available on the Android store. And the great thing about it, of what we're doing with this tablet, is that once you have your screen that is off, you can just double click and then it launches a very quick drawing app that you can jump right in, just like a sketchbook where you flip to a page and then you just use a pencil and then you just drawing right away. It's super, super intuitive. You don't have to think about canvas size. You don't have to think about other colors. It's just pencil on paper. But then once you're happy with your drawing, let's assume that's a really masterpiece. And you can start by clicking here and then say, continue drawing in another app. And then you unlock your device. And then it just launches the app and it takes you straight into the drawing app that you can add colors and layers. See, now it's right into here.
It's a larger one?
Yes.
What's the size on that one?
So this is the Pro 14. This is a 14-inch, and then this is the 11. And then the 14-inch also has a special edition.
Is there anything
that is Evangelion. So really, really crazy art on the back over there. So yeah, I love this thing so much. It is my everyday work device now. I use it to take notes, read comics, draw, everything, watch YouTube. So yeah.